Welcome to SGS online classes. Today I Abhishek Singh going to start class 5 math assessment 1 chapter 4 multiple and factor SCF and exercise 4C. So student, what is SCF? Highest common factor. In short we say SCF. The greatest number which is a common factor of two or more given numbers is called their highest common factor HCF or greatest common divisor GCD. There are two ways to find HCF of a given number: prime factorization method, division method. Let's see. Example 1. Find HCF of 150 and 350 by prime factorization method. Solution: 150, 5 3 15, 5 0 0, 5 6 30, 3 2 6, 2 1 2. So student, all numbers are prime numbers. Now 350, 5 7 35, 5 0 0, 5 1 5, 6 7 is 2 20, 5 4 20, 7 2 14, 2 1 2. Now prime factors of 150 is equal to 5 into 5 into 3 into 2. Prime factors of 350, 5 into 5 into 7 into 2. Now common factors, see here, 5 common factors. We have 5 here also, 5 here also. 5 now 2. So 5 5 2. So these are common factor. Now HCF, 5 into 5 into 2, 5 5 25, 25 into 2 50, or 5 into 2 10, 10 into 5 50. So this is HCF. This is by prime factorization method. Now let's see what is division method. Find the HCF of 136, 170 and 255 by division method. Solution: first we find the HCF of 136 and 170. We will divide 170 by 136. 136 1, 136. 10 minus 6, 4. 6 minus 3, 3. 34. Now we divide this divisor by this remainder. 34 4, 136. So HCF of 136 and 170 is 34. Now we find the HCF of 34 and 255. HCF of 34 and 255. 255 divided by 34. 7, 238. 15 minus 8, 7. Now 4 minus 3, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. Now we divide this divisor 34 by this remainder 17. 17 to 34. We have got remainder 0. Hence HCF of 136, 170 and 255 is 17. So in this way we find out the HCF in division method. Let's see types of question in exercise 4C. Write the common factors of 120, 156. Solution: 120, 2 6 12, 2 0 0, 2 3 6, 2 0 0, 2 1 2, 2 5 10, 3 5 15, 5 1 5. Now 156, 2 7 14, remainder 1, 2 8 16, 2 3 6, remainder 1, now 18, 2 9 18, 3 1 3, 3 3 9, 13 1 13. So common factors in both, see here, 2 2 3, 2 2 3, 2 into 2 into 3, 12. So first question, we have to write the common factor. Find the HCF using prime factorization method. 144, 180 and 192. Solution: 144, 2 7 14, 224, 236, 2 6 12, 212, 2 8 16, 2 9 18, 3 3 9, 3 1 3, 180, 2 9 18, 2 0 0, 2 4 8, 2 5 10, 3 1 3, 3 5 15, 3 5 15, 5 1 5, 2 9 18, remainder 1 12, 2 6 12, 2 4 8, remainder 1 16, 2 8 16, 2 2 4 2 4 8, 2 1 2 2 2 4, 2 6 12, 2 3 6 3 1 3. Now 144, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3. See here, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 and 2 times 3, 180. 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 1 time 5. 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 1 time 5. 192. 5 6. 6 times 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times 2 and 1 time 3. Common factor, see, 2 2 and then 3. So 2. Now HCF, 2 into 2 into 3, 12. So in question, when it is asked common factor, then you can write common numbers coming in each numbers, common prime numbers, and when we multiply the common factors, then we get highest common factor. Now third question, find HCF using division method. 180, 252 and 576. Solution: 252 divided by 180, 181, 180. 2 minus 0, 2. 15 minus 8, 7. 1 minus 1, 0. Now we divide this divisor 180 by this remainder 72. 72 to 144. 10 minus 4, 6. 7 minus 4, 3. 1 minus 1, 0. Now we divide this divisor by this remainder 36. 36 to 72. 2 minus 2, 0. 7 minus 7, 0. So we find we have got HCF of 180 and 252, 36. Now we divide this 576 by HCF 36. 36 1, 36. 7 minus 6, 1. 5 minus 3, 2. We write 6 here. Now 36 into 6, 216. 6 minus 6, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. HCF of 180, 252 and 576 is 36. So this is our answer. So student, exercise 4C completed. HCF and exercise 4C completed. Thank you.